Do you want to build a wardrobe that always looks polished without trying too hard? I'm Melissa with WTI, and I found that this super comfy top by RUMIA Fashion is a timeless basic that can transition effortlessly from season to season. It's a short sleeve sweater top, and it has become one of my favorites. It's perfect for cooler summer evenings, but it's also lightweight enough to layer when the weather changes. The knit feels high quality, the stitching is tight, and it is so soft. So this is my second top from Rumia Fashion, and I've been really impressed with this brand's quality. I'm 5'4", around 130 pounds, and I'm wearing a size small in white, and I love where it hits my waist because it's not too long or too short. It also comes in several beautiful colors. You can dress it up or you can keep it casual with shorts or jeans, or even layer it under a jumper or a blazer. It washes well, holds its shape, and it's one of those versatile pieces that you'll reach for again and again. If you love that classic, sophisticated style, what everyone calls the old money aesthetic, then this sweater top is an easy addition to your wardrobe. And that's my point of view.